If you're already doing Google AdSense arbitrage, here's one thing you need to understand. Pay attention to this video because I'm going to be explaining some detailed things that help you scale up faster while working with AdSense arbitrage. Over here, you can see my live dashboard and you can see what I've done so far on this account this month. Let me reload this. Okay, so you can see this month so far, we've generated roughly $11,000 on this account, and we're trying to round it up to like 11,500 today. And you can see today so far, just this morning already, and you can see what we have done so far on this account today. Okay, and this account is a strong account. It has also received payment in the past. It also received payment too on the 21st of this month. Okay, you can see it over here. Payment was received for the work we did on the account last month. You can see it over here. So this account is a good account. They receive a lot of payments so far. Okay, so back to what I was saying. One thing guys need to understand when it comes to AdSense arbitrage. First of all, majority of you focus on getting cheap clicks, getting cheap traffic. You would feel that if you buy this cheap traffic, it's going to convert well for you. It doesn't work that way. You need to ask yourself before running any campaign, there are questions you need to ask yourself. Are people actually reading the contents on that your site? How many pages are they even viewing? And you also need to ask, what is your CTR and also what's your RPM? For example, a campaign that's profitable at 10,000 visitors can become unprofitable at 100,000 visitors. And do you know why? It's if you don't optimize your site well before scaling. So the biggest mistake in AdSense arbitrage is scaling too early. Many people rush and push more traffic. You see, because it's cheap traffic, you rush, you don't even optimize your site for better performance. So the first thing you need to do is you optimize your website first, which I mean optimizing, make sure there's valuable content on that site. Make sure that those contents on that site are what people going through. These are the first thing you need to understand. And make sure you arrange your ads placement properly. Okay? So once you optimize your site, scaling can become the second thing you put. Okay? That's how you build a business with this AdSense arbitrage instead of burning a lot of ad budgets and not seeing any good returns. Okay? So if you're new to this channel, in this channel, I mostly teach everything about Google AdSense arbitrage. And if you want to be learning more about this, you want to be seeing more uploads on this channel, you can click on the subscribe button to subscribe so that whenever I drop a video on the channel, you get notified. This channel, I'll be dropping tips for people that are working with AdSense arbitrage. And if you're also interested in working with me, you can check the link in the description box to reach out to me for the partnership program. And if you also want to learn the method, you can also click on the description box to reach out to me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe to Traffic to Revenue and see you in the next video, guys.